Okay. I think these are really cool watercolors. They don't even look like watercolors now. I want to save. Right underneath the video down here, we have thumbs up, thumbs down, share. We have download and save right here at the right hand bottom corner. I'm going to hit save. All right, look at the bottom. Change. I'm tapping on change now. If I keep it here, it'll go to watch later. But we're going to create a playlist for other videos. So we're going to go ELF for Elf Lord's Journey. Now I'm going to OK it. Hit the OK. Now, you can see the list. I just hit the button at the bottom right that popped up that rectangle. Here's a list. Here's a video we just saved. This is our playlist. Okay. Now, I am going to go back here. I'm going to hit his icon. I'm going to hit the icon. I'm going to go to his channel. Now I'm at his channel. I'm going to go over to videos. Now, you see the three dots on the other side of each video to the right. Okay, it says Wednesday Watercolor Journey, Old Homesteads. You see the three dots on the other side of that. Those are the dots that you hit, and there's those row of three dots on the other side of the title. You tap on those three dots, okay? So we're going to do another playlist. I'm going to hit these. I'm going to tap on these three dots. This is how we do a quick playlist, all right? Hit the three dots. Now I'm tapping on Add to Playlist. All right. We're going to check the ELF or Elf Lord's Journey box, okay? I could add it to watch later if I wanted to, okay, or any other I decided to, see? Sonato, that's Mike Har Ranger 92308. All right, now, we're at Elf Lord's Journey, we're going to OK. Now I'm going to the next video. Three dots on the side. It says Wednesday Watercolors Journey, Old Barns. The three dots on the right hand side of that, I'm tapping. There's my box. Add to playlist. Okay, let's check Elf Lord's Journey. Bottom right hand corner. OK it. All right. I'm going to Best Fall. Okay, on the other side of that, the three little dots. It's on the right hand side. Tap on the three dots. Hit playlist. Check ELF at the bottom right hand corner. OK it. All right. Zion National Park, Weeping Rock. To the right side of that, the three dots, tap on it. Playlist. Check Elf Lord's Journey or anything else. Now, the other thing you can do, let's say you wanted to do a separate video or separate playlist for that. Uncheck it, come up here to the top, and you hit Create Playlist. You notice the OK is grayscale because it's not working right now. Okay, you can tap it all day long, nothing happens. All right, so we could put Weeping Rock. You could put anything you want in here. But soon as you put your first letter, the OK is ready to go. All right, so you title that whatever you want to title it, and you create another playlist. Okay, but we're going to cancel that. All right. So Weeping Rock. I'm going to go here. Elf Lord's Journey. Okay it. Bam. Now, Wednesday, Tractor's Journey. So let's go here. This is the other way to save it. This is a reminder or a refresher of how to do this. We're watching a video and we're really liking what we see, and we don't want to forget where it's at. You know, who was it? Where was it at? How do I find it again? Will I be able to find it in my history? Well, you don't have to even go there, all right? So you want to save this video. So again, right below the video, you have thumbs up, thumbs down, share. You can share it, okay? For example, bam, now I can share it to anything that's in this area where I can share. All right, that's if I want to share it. Now, but we're saving it. So we're going to go over here, and at the bottom right-hand corner, underneath this video, above the bell, says save, not share, I'm sorry, it says save. We're going to tap on the save. It'll turn blue. Okay. At the bottom it says change. You can see Elf Lord's Journey's marked. It's ready to go. Well, I like that. That's where I want it. Or I can create another playlist for this particular video. Okay. So now it's saved. All right, so now I want to go back to the playlist, back to his videos. So I'm going to tap his icon here. Underneath the thumbs up, it says Elf Lord's Journey. I'm tapping his icon. All right, now I close that out. I swipe over to videos, and I'm back here where I started. All right. Zion National Park viewpoint. So I'm going to tap on the add to playlist after I hit the three dots to the right of that title. Okay. Bam. Elf Lord's Journey. Okay it. What is that? Okay. Zion National Park, Big Bend. Big Bend, look at that. Pretty impressive, isn't it? All right, very nice. That's in Utah. All right, let's get back to what we were doing. We're going to tap on Elf Lord's Journey, the icon underneath the thumbs up. Go back to the page, swipe over to videos. Bam, now if Elf Lord's Journey has any playlists, we just swipe on over here to Elf Lord's Journey, and we see his list of his playlist that he's created. And he's got this nicely organized, okay? So if I wanted to copy some of these, all right, I like Watercolor Barns. So we're going to tap on these three dots over here. Add the playlist, tap on Elf Lord's Journey, undo Mike Bro, that was a mistake. At the very right hand bottom, hit OK. All right. Now, I think everyone should have this. If you have any questions, leave me a comment in the comments or ask me about it in the comments. All right. Now we're going to go to my page and we're going to look at these videos that this playlist we just created. We're going back to my channel. All right, so what I'm going to do is the bottom right hand corner, I'm going to hit where it says library. It looks like a folder, and I'm tapping on the library that's in red. Okay, now I'm going to go up here to my little round, to my icon in the upper right hand corner, and I'm going to tap on it. Now I'm going to tap on my channel at the very top here. My channel. Now we're going to go to playlists. All right, Elf Lord's Journey. Right there, we have 8 videos. Let's see if we really have any videos in there. Look at that. Now, does it work? Let's see if it works. It works. There it is. Okay, so it works. All right. Now, if I was going to save again, for example, remember, hit the save button. If that pops up, we don't want to watch later, then bam, we can do it again. But for now, we're going to unsave it and then okay it. And we're back to where we started. So if you think this tutorial was good enough, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, ring the bell so that you get my next uploads. And we will get to know you and your channel. And for everyone that's a part of my community, thank you for being here. And I really hope that this is helpful. And these are some really great watercolors, by the way. Nice artwork. Okay, thank you. Bye for now. And I look forward to hearing from you. Bye.